In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add footnote citations in Zotero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to insert properly formatted footnotes in Microsoft Word using the Zotero plugin, so your references look clean and consistent. Start by opening your document in Word and placing your cursor exactly where you want the footnote number to appear in the text. This is important because Word will insert the footnote marker at the cursor and drop the matching citation to the bottom of the page automatically. Next, look along the Word ribbon for the Zotero tab. Click it to reveal the Zotero toolbar. If you don't see it, make sure the Zotero desktop app and Word plugin are installed and that Word isn't in a mode that hides add-ins. With the Zotero tab open, you're ready to insert your first citation. Click Add Edit Citation. Zotero will open its citation dialog. If this is the first time you're citing in this document, Zotero will prompt you to choose a citation style. Select Chicago Manual of Style, specifically the notes variant intended for footnotes rather than the author date version. This ensures your references appear as footnotes instead of parenthetical in-text citations. When asked about note placement, choose footnotes, then confirm by selecting OK. This tells Zotero to format citations as footnotes at the bottom of the page rather than as endnotes or inline text. Now you'll see Zotero's red search bar or classic picker. Start typing the author, title, or keyword for the source you want to cite. From the results, click the correct item from your Zotero library. If you need to add a page number, you can do that directly in the citation dialog before confirming. When everything looks right, press Enter or click to accept. Word will instantly insert a superscript number at your cursor and place the fully formatted Chicago-style footnote at the bottom of the page. That's the core workflow. Position your cursor, open the Zotero tab, add a citation, choose Chicago Notes with footnotes, pick your source, and accept. If you later need to adjust the citation, place your cursor anywhere inside it and click Add Edit Citation again to update details like page ranges or additions. If you ever need to revisit your style choice for the whole document, open the Zotero tab and use Document Preferences to switch styles. Zotero will update existing footnotes automatically. With these steps, your citations stay accurate, consistent, and easy to manage across drafts and final manuscripts.